The whole car industry and the whole automobile industry, I think audience would probably agree, is going through a big transformation. How is that impacting your business and just how it's translating to changes in production?
What we're in the middle of right now is this transformation from internal combustion engine cars to battery electric vehicles. And so, even so, this transformation, of course, is a challenge. It also is a big opportunity for us in production because it gives us the opportunity to put in new production lines and leapfrog technology. And that's what we're planning to do.
And what does that mean for automation? Because automation has been there for manufacturing cars. I envision factories with robots and automation. How's that changing?
Well, in automation, you may have heard the name of Industry for All, Industrial Internet of Things. It's all about putting more sensors into your production lines and understanding more and in more detail about your automation. And so what we're doing now is we are taking a concept, a well-known concept out of the IT world, using a hyperconverged infrastructure, which means we consolidate hardware into a hyperconverged infrastructure and do the same thing for automation. You would think, hey, this is boring, but actually it's not, because we needed to develop something together with you guys, something new. We needed to have a hyperconverged infrastructure that is real-time capable, that is deterministic, and that has the availability that we need for automation to work.